I don't understand why you're crying.
I don't know either. Let me go into the restroom. That's all I know.
You take
Pick
it
it up right there.
Hey, Grace, just pick that cup up. You just broke the thing.
You know what? The fucked up shit is that I didn't even drop it. It was him.
What the fuck?
Motherfucker think I'm drunk. Motherfucker blame everything on me. Shit, I didn't even drop it.
Say it to the camera. Then. Say it to the camera.
I didn't even fucking drop it. It was him.
So why are you crying?
Because I'm fucking drunk. My fucking boyfriend.
Didn't you just say you weren't drunk?
You know I've been drunk since like the third drink I've had. That's some fucked up bullshit. I'm gonna sleep in my car in the back seat.
Have another
You're
drink.
You're fucked up.
What? I thought you were thirsty.
I'm not thirsty for some motherfucking Malibu rum or whatever the fuck that shit is in there.
Is that what you asked for?